If you feel like you've lost the only woman in the world who will really love you, then you're absolutely insane. But you're also not alone. I understand. I've coached over 1,000 men to overcome breakups and divorces. And with the right strategy, they were able to turn their greatest pain into their greatest opportunity, and it was actually, looking back, the best thing that ever happened to them. After I went through a breakup with a woman that I thought I was going to marry, who left me for another man soon after, I went on to find my path and purpose and build a business that I was passionate about. I got in the best shape of my life. I started dating women that were out of my league, women that I thought would never give me the time of day before. But most importantly, I got my masculine power back. I got my confidence back. I got my lust for life back. I got motivated again to go out and create the life that I wanted. It was a priceless feeling and an experience that I want you to have too, where you show up to life fully, where you have an epic social life and dating life that you've always wanted to have. You see, most men don't realize that their breakup can be a catalyst to completely reinvent their life if you follow this specific strategy. I created a step-by-step template of what works so that other men could use it and apply it into their lives to propel their life forward after a breakup. And what's crazy is this template has been proven by thousands of other men from all different walks of life, which is why you see men fly from all around the country to learn this exact strategy, which I'm giving away in an upcoming training so that you can access it too. So if you want to learn how the strategy works step by step, I've got a training available for you if you just click on the link inside this ad. There's no way I could explain the full strategy inside this ad. There's limited time allotted, and I can't guarantee that you're going to get the same results that I got. But what I can guarantee is that if you click the link in this ad, you'll be taken to a page where you can get access to the training and learn how to rebuild your life after a breakup. And for transparency, there's no cost to the training and there's nothing for sale on the actual training presentation. It's 100% pure value to help you reclaim your power and rebuild your life after a breakup. So click the link inside this ad before this whole thing expires. Look, I have to be blunt, you're not going to find this unique strategy that I've developed that works from your friends or from your family, from blog posts or from online forums, certainly not from videos that you'll find online of people just ranting about random philosophies about how to move on from the breakup that just leave you more confused than ever and don't give you a tangible step-by-step solution that you can implement and execute and actually see a tangible result to move your life forward. Most men are going to struggle for months or years after a breakup because they simply don't know what to do. It's a new experience to have all these emotions and feelings. I understand. I was there, reliving all these past memories of your ex, thinking about what you would have, should have, could have done. And all of that is just a complete giant waste of time because she's out there living her life. Meanwhile, you're living in your head, just constantly reliving all these past thoughts that don't help you move your life forward at all. So let's not let that happen. Let's change the course of action by following a strategy so that we can create a more empowering future. Remember, there's no cost for the training, nothing for sale on the presentation. It's 100% pure value, but you do have to take action and click the link in this ad. Otherwise, you won't get access to it and you'll never see me again. I want to help you reclaim your power. And ultimately, in the near future, when you're ready to create a high quality romantic relationship that's infinitely better than the one that you had previously with your ex, click the link, get the ad, get the strategy. I'll see you there.